In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress site on Siteground as a beginner in 2025. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, head over to siteground.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the Login button in the upper right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first. After logging in, you'll land on your Siteground dashboard. Here, click on My Siteground account. This is your hub for managing all your hosting services. Next, find the Websites tab and click it. This will show all the websites you manage. Select the website where you want to install WordPress. Now look for Site Tools and click it. This section gives you access to all the technical settings for your site. Inside Site Tools, find Install and Manage WordPress and click on it. This is your one-stop shop for getting WordPress set up on your domain. Finally, click WordPress in the installation area and follow the on-screen prompts. Siteground makes this process super intuitive, automatically configuring settings to optimize performance and reliability.